Welcome to BeVA. Today we are flying over Grimes Farm, located near Marshalltown, Iowa. This episode was flown on July 25th of 2022. The building below is the Marshall County Conservation Center, along with an amphitheater. Grimes Farm was purchased in 1964 by Leonard and Mildred Grimes. That same year, local students began using it as an outdoor classroom. Below is the nature playscape and a prairie field. Also visible is the bike path going into Marshalltown or to a nearby town of Melbourne. In the early 90s, Leonard and Mildred began donating land for public use. In the distance is the Marshalltown skyline. The roadway in the back is a part of the Lincoln Highway, the first transcontinental highway in the United States. Also shown is the Union Pacific Railroad, and in the trees is Lynn Creek. The observation tower shown is where one can go to see the Marshalltown skyline and beyond. Here is another shot of the Marshalltown skyline, Lincoln Highway, Lynn Creek, and Union Pacific Railroad. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a share, or both. If you want to get notifications on new videos, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Be sure to check out our other videos on the channel. Thank you for watching BeVA.